Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be taking a look and unboxing something truly awesome. This is the Mega Motion A03 Hoverboard, but with a game-changing twist. It's a full go-kart attachment. This is the ultimate 2-in-1 electric ride, and we're going to test it to its limits. First up is the assembly, and if an idiot like me can do it, then you definitely can do it. And honestly, setting up the go-kart is pretty straightforward. It's quick, it's secure, and it instantly transforms this into a whole new experience. You could have this ready to roll in roughly under 10 minutes. Before we ride, let's talk specs. So, of course, as I said, this is the A03 model, featuring a robust 6.5-inch wheels and a powerful dual motor system that supports riders from 20 all the way up to 100 kilograms, meaning adults can get on the fun too, like me. Here we have the on and off button. Right next to that is the charging port. It takes about 2 to 3 hours for a full charge. It's got a great key feature that I love. It has a built-in Bluetooth speaker, so you can stream your music directly from your phone while you ride. Okay, it's time to test ride. Starting with a classic hoverboard mode. And hopefully you'll be better than me. And remember, don't ride it without the protective gear like me. Don't be an idiot. Always make sure your safety comes first. So if you're new to these, the self-balancing technology makes the learning curve surprisingly fast. You simply lean forward to move, lean back to brake, and put slight pressure on your heel to turn. The ride is responsive, stable, and it hits top speed of 15 kilometers per hour. Fast enough to be thrilling, but the real reason we're here is for the hoverkart. Push forward to accelerate, pull back to stop, and push one while pulling the other to drift and turn. It offers a super low center of gravity for maximum fun and stability. You can see how much my son is enjoying it, and me of course. It's perfect for practicing coordination and getting outside. So, what's the verdict on the Mega Motion A03 Hoverboard with Go-Kart? Well, it's an absolute win. It's durable. It's packed with features like Bluetooth speaker, a strong system, and the 2-in-1 versatility offers amazing value. It's not just a toy for the kids, it's generally a blast for the whole family. If you're looking for the next great electric ride, then this is it. If you guys want to check this out, then I've left a link in the description below and also up here. If you enjoyed this test and review, don't forget to click the like button and subscribe for future videos. And don't forget to leave a comment telling me what your favourite part was. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Take care and peace out.